It doesn't want to go down. So you mean like the vape pen like I have?
Yeah. So then you give him the oil, he put the oil, and he gets go. That's what he wants.
I think I have an extra one. I'll have to look in my bag.
Ah, ce n'ha una.
I'll think. I'll check. I'll check.
And and then you tell him how much he has to give you.
Yeah.
Ce n'ha una da lascio.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay,
You right? This is soda anticlimactic. It's not coming down.
We needed one of those little fucking wedges when we were cutting.
Right.
This guy's way better at dropping trees than we were. Don't take out the fucking John G. bumper.
Right.
No, no, please no. A shit explosion.
Sheet explosion.
We were like.
He came and pumped it, right?
If the tree goes anywhere near that.
Hey, he came and pumped that the other day, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, so now it's just sanitary water you get splashed with. Hey.
There you go. Come on. He's moving. There you go.
Uh-oh.
Oh, perfect. Right where you want it. Like, oh, take out.
Right this way.
Whoa.
Wow. That was pretty cool. Nice.
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia.